Bonafide Hustler here.
Whitney.
And today we are gonna go to a few garage sales and definitely some thrift stores. It's Saturday, so we want you guys to come with us. Let's go. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the inside of Whitney's spaceship. And today we are gonna go to garage sales, a little bit of garage sales because it's gonna rain like pretty heavily. We're gonna do some thrifting?
Yep.
All right, cool. So we're gonna do some thrifting, garage sales. I'm following E-Money right now. Oh, there's the rain right there. Look.
Oh yeah. Why is there a printer in the back?
I'm returning one of the things that I bought the other day because I realized it was not new.
You're not following Emerson.
I'm following Emerson right now. All right, so yeah, following E-Money, we're gonna go to a couple garage sales, which it is now starting to rain just this very moment. So you know what happens when there's rain and garage sales, basically means there's rain and no garage sales. So we're gonna take care of that. It should only be like 1 or 2 garage sales. I'll probably have to get some coffee somewhere, but thrift stores are pretty fun on Saturdays when it rains in Austin, Texas. I mean, you just sit in there, it pours outside, you go hunting, it's a lot of fun. Hey guys, if you like these hot shots, or if you just like these kind of day in the life videos, then hit the like button right now. Make sure you leave a comment. I love reading comments, they're a lot of fun. And we still need to find Whitney a name. No one's found a name yet, but the best one so far that I've seen is called Witnessing Profits.
Yeah, I like that one.
You like that one?
Mm-hmm.
Is that gonna be your name then?
Maybe.
Well, we'll see what they say. We'll see what they say. Here, we'll see if I'll see what E-Money's doing.
You gotta creep up on him.
E-Money! What? You're so stupid. Why are you so stupid, E-Money? Here, I'll follow you, okay? So this first garage sale said rain or shine. It's definitely not shining down right now with sun, and it's definitely not raining at all, so hopefully we can still go to this garage sale if it's gloomy and not raining, for example. Isn't that weird? They said rain or shine, but it's neither right now.
Babe.
It really is, if you think about it. I think this garage sale's down here. The sign.
There is a sign.
I know. We're lucky.
We're here. And a bike.
We're lucky to have a garage sale. And there's a bike. It's an LL Bean bike. What? I'm not picking that thing up. No way. E-Money.
Like it?
Why do you have a topper that's white? E-Money? That doesn't match.
It doesn't.
Are you starting a trend?
Huh?
Okay.
Well, the
Oreo.
opposite day.
It's called Oreo trend. Didn't find anything there. There are really no more garage sales to go to. We might go to one more that's close to where we're gonna get coffee. Man, but we're gonna be in thrift store mode here pretty soon. So, I don't know what we're gonna go to. I don't know which ones we're gonna see, but probably a Savers, Goodwills, like that kind of stuff. We might go to the South Lamar Goodwill. We should. That's the one where Whitney was hunting the other day and she found some good stuff.
Yep.
Yep. Yeah. You don't like hunting, or you do like hunting now?
I do, kind of. I have to be in the mood.
Are you in the mood now?
I don't know, we'll see when we get there.
What mood are you in?
I'm in a coffee mood.
Coffee mood. All right, so we're getting coffee. We gotta make sure we get coffee for Whitney. Hey guys, before we get coffee, just want you guys to know, blondes may have more fun, but redheads are more fun. That's what I'm saying. Now I have to like catch up to see if this person's a blonde or a redhead. Oh god. Okay, she's a redhead. She almost wrecked her car.
No, this car, like...
No, it was her.
Oh.
Maybe she's a blonde.
Babe.
I'm kidding. She's neither.
Brunette.
Girls, neither.
God.
What's wrong? We're here at Thunderbird. Can't wait to get a coffee. I like this place a lot. It's really high quality for this area of town. E-Money.
Yeah.
Why is your back of your truck white?
Because I want to follow a color scheme of Chips Ahoy.
Chips Ahoy? That makes no sense.
Yeah.
What?
Because they're white inside.
You're just screwing with my vlog. It's an Oreo that's white inside.
Oh my god.
Sears? Let's take a look. Is yours good?
Yeah.
Alright. Check this thing out.
Sit in your car and do it.
This thing is so good. All right. Dopio's teleported me over here. Hell yeah. We have to figure out a shoe dance.
Oh yeah.
No, I'm dead serious. What's the back dance look like?
Huh?
Show the back dance. All right, we need a shoe dance. We're gonna have to figure out a shoe dance by the end of this video. Hey, look at this. No way. You think that's it?
Yeah. 100%.
No way.
Someone out there has to know.
Oh yeah, it is one. Yeah, there it is.
It's really basic though. There's
Yeah, let's see if
nothing
people,
like
I wonder if people in my vlog will know what this symbol is. Today is going to be a hunt. I already know that, and it sucks, but like, it's a hunt. Hey, E-Money, quit screwing around, E-Money.
Look at these things.
Oh my gosh.
She was like, these can't be comfortable.
Put them on, see what they feel like. Try
Yeah,
it.
you gotta try them.
Yeah, you have to try
Freak
them.
me out.
Just try one.
Probably comfortable because they feel cold.
Oh no. It's like you're walking on rocks.
What are the chances? What did you find?
Oh, Burks.
They're like
Burks?
brand new.
Oh, those are sick.
yeah.
Are those your size?
No.
How much are they?
Really?
$6.99.
Oh, totally worth it.
Wow.
Yeah,
nice
those are
find.
good.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's cool. Oh, that's really good. Usually these showy helmets are pretty cool. You got all excited about it, but this one's like just completely destroyed inside. You can tell. We don't have to like mess with it. We know it. Yeah, we might keep these. We found some, well, Whitney found.
I found.
Yeah, you found some Atolius. I think that's what they call them. Atolius climbing holds right here. Pretty cool. $4 each. Maybe we can get them both for $4. We'll see. You got good eyes, babe.
You just walk right past it.
What'd you find? A UFO?
Make a broccoli snake.
You found a UFO? Is that a UFO? You're not doing it right. E-Money can do the UFO
I
better.
call it a UFO.
E-Money, is that a UFO?
Yeah.
Well, then you have to do UFO things with it.
Hmm?
That's not it. No, that's not it. That's not it. No, that's not it. E-Money knows how to do it.
Ready?
There it is.
Hey, there's another one.
Oh, it's opening up. It's not a UFO anymore. That's not a UFO. It has to stay closed. Yeah, that's a UFO. All right, got some Birkenstock sandals that I found. I have good eyes. But anyways,
Babe.
hey, she found it for me. $6.99. They should be able to sell for 50 plus, right around 50. Got this awesome reversible vest that's gonna go into the antique booth. Perfect kind of stuff for the booth. That was $10 out the door. It's probably sell for 30 plus in the booth. These climbing holds, don't know yet, but you guys can help me out with that in the feed. Got 2 of these guys for $4 for the pair. Anyways, that's gonna go on eBay more than likely, or it might go into my tree and we might mess with it. I don't know. This is something I found the other day as part of my printer kind of haul thing, but this one was not new inside, so you know, the sticker's still on it. I'm gonna return this back to Goodwill. You got something cool?
Yeah, so
I found you these, right?
Pearl Izumi RDs. These are road biking shoes because they're nice and smooth on the bottom. These are probably gonna be 40, maybe 50 tops.
What's so good about these shoes?
These are called BOA locks, right?
Yeah, if you get shoes to bucks, I tell you guys about this kind of stuff. You guys gotta check it out. Anyways, we have to make up a shoe dance. I know. At the next stop. We have to have a shoe dance. You're gonna help us make one?
What?
All right. We gotta make a shoe dance, E-Money. I think our shoe dance should be this. I think it should just be like this, like that. That should be the shoe dance. It's like a foot drag, like a Thriller thing, right? Didn't Thriller do that?
No, that was like...
Isn't that, is that in sync? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We have to have a shoe dance, E-Money. We have to make one. What should the shoe dance be? Yeah, like that. Hey, look, it's me waiting to get to 200 items on eBay.
Hey.
Hey, you want to sell that locally? Wave blaster? Oh God, $100. These things are the most worthless things ever. What'd you find?
Hold on.
Guess what? What'd you find, E-Money? He's getting all excited about something. What are you doing?
I'm trying to open this thing. Hang on. Oh.
E-Money, you have all these muscles and then like, you can't even take tape off.
Alright, let's get in there.
Is that a clicky? Oh, it looks like a clicky. Nope, not clicky.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's
I
not.
think it is.
No way. I was thinking it's a clicky keyboard. I know it. I don't think it is. I think Dell was too current to be a clicky.
It is clicky, for sure.
It's quiet key. It's not clicky.
Oh, nope.
That's why it's not clicky. So you found a TYR swimming bag, backpack kind of thing. That might be worth looking up. That I see on top of my head. Cascadias, this is kind of interesting, and these are in pretty good condition too. We're at the Lake Austin Goodwill. Woody's heading in. E-Money's parking somewhere. There you are. And they have a little BMW meet going on right now. So there's some old BMWs. You can kind of see them in the background right there. Let's go. Yo, what'd you find? Oh, those are Brighton? Cool. Look them up. All right, looking. I don't see anything yet, but I'm looking. Triple strap shoes usually shake out at around 25 to 30 bucks. They want 20 for this. That's a pass. Some Hokas, but they're pretty trashed. That's a pass. That's definitely a pass. The most important thing when I go thrifting is to not be under pressure to buy anything. And I feel as if that allows my judgment to be extremely clear. And that's really important. All right, we're at the Goodwill boutique. About to go in. We didn't find anything at that last Goodwill. Well, she found a pair of red Hudson shorts or something like that. Just checking it out. I'm trying to find that cheddar. Just like the shirt says, it's a cheddar quest today. There's like nothing here. It's a toaster. What are you getting all excited about a toaster for? Hey, money. Whoa, there's an air guitar in here. Does that mean there's nothing in there? All right, we're at another Goodwill. We didn't find anything at that last one, and E-Money had to go do something, so it's just me and Whitney. Let's see what we can find. Looking hard for stuff. Ooh, it's jacket season. That's always a good time. Find some good stuff. Oh, sweet, some bird dogs. Nothing yet, babe? The bag section looking good. Whoa, that scared the hell out of me.
I'm getting hungry now.
You hungry?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's raining. We didn't find anything at Goodwill. Not trying to force anything today. We're gonna go get something to eat at Bolton Creek Cafe, which is really close. Then we'll make a decision of if we want to keep thrifting or not, but time to get some food. So we're here at Bolton Creek at the back part of it. It's raining, and we'll zoom in there. We're gonna get some breakfast and then maybe a little bit more thrifting. We'll see. All right, there's like a million people here.
I like that. Don't forget to tell your friends you love them.
Don't forget to tell your friends you love them. It's right there. All right, so we got a table. We're sitting here at the bar. And we just ordered some breakfast. Nothing crazy. You like this place a lot, huh?
I forgot to tell you that
What?
in Savers, some guy asked me, he's like, what does your hat say?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Someone in Savers asked you that?
Yeah, it was an older guy. His son-in-law works for marketing for Getty.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah. I was like,
That's crazy. All right, you got your
you can
food.
have my beans.
I can have your beans?
Yeah.
They didn't bring my food out, but they brought yours. Looks good. All right, our next thrift store is actually like a Habitat for Humanity kind of thing. I don't usually go here ever. I'm gonna check this place out. They have home furnishing stuff. Everything's here. Granite.
Great.
Oh, it's granite. This place is crazy. It's on an auction. Dude, I want to bid on that. There's a Nintendo I can bid on too. Right there. I don't see anything that catches my eye yet. A pretty pathetic bag section though. I don't see anything here I want.
Have we not been here before?
You like this place?
Yeah.
She's like asking me why I haven't taken her here ever. Because it's kind of far from our house. By the way, that Nintendo was bid up to $84 so far. Mega Man 2 was in there, Ninja Gaiden, Super Mario 1, Super Mario 3, and controllers and original 8-bit system. So we didn't find anything at that thrift store. It's the evening time here in Austin, Texas. I'm gonna go bowl with E-Money and friends and all that kind of stuff. But I wanted to take a second, thank you guys for watching my video. And you know, I didn't find anything that great today, but I'm glad I went out, I stuck to my principles, but I can predict in a week or two, the garage sales are gonna be freaking phenomenal. I'm gonna make sure to film it for you guys. But anyways, I had fun hanging out. I'll see you at the next Bonafide Hustler video. Leave me a comment, leave me a like, I'll see you next time. Goodbye! Oh, what'd you do? What'd you do?
I made a face.
You jerk.